Kamusta dollies and welcome back. So today, we are making sleepers for my ball jointed doll. This is actually connected to my previous video where I made a loungewear outfit. If you haven't watched it, please do. So let's get this started. I will be making this pattern free for everyone. So go check it out in the description. But do note that this is for MSD only. Here's my doll size for reference. First step, cut out the pattern and trace it on the felt. I wanted it to match the loungewear outfit I made, so I chose this light blue color. Cut them out, not forgetting to leave out seam allowance. Except for this part, no allowances is needed here. Cut two patterns of each soles and sandwich them together with the front panel. Align it on the marks and sew it with the back stitch. Stitch all the way . And cut the excess felt. Add bow at the front, and our sleepers are done. Easy, right? Now let's try another way. This time, don't add a seam allowance on the soles. Just the soles though. For the front panel, snip out the curved parts . And sew it on the soles with the seam allowance folded behind. Sewing the curved part can be tricky, so try to stitch the sides first. Sew the other sleepers and get a foam board or a cardboard of some sort. Trace out the soles, cut it, and glue them to the sleepers with a super glue or a glue stick. And with a colored paper, cover up the side foam decorate the front panel, and we're done. And that is all for this video. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. And until next time, paalam!